Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our fifth chapter, that is chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? So basically chemical reaction is the process which involves chemical change. Okay? In chemical reaction, chemical change takes place. What is chemical change? Change in which new substances are formed are called chemical change. Here you can see carbon reacts with oxygen, gives carbon dioxide. So these both are reactants, okay, because they react together to form carbon dioxide. So the things which get reacted are known as reactants, and the product is the result of reactant is known as product. So you can see here carbon and oxygen both are combined together to form carbon dioxide. So carbon and oxygen both are reactants and carbon dioxide is the product of carbon and oxygen. So here you can see carbon and oxygen both combine and form carbon dioxide, means the whole chemical property of individually carbon and oxygen gets changed into carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is chemical reaction. On the basis of the nature of reactants, the chemical reaction is divided into two parts: homogeneous reaction and heterogeneous reaction. What is homogeneous reaction? In homogeneous reaction, all the reactants are found in the same phase. But in the heterogeneous reaction, the reactants are not in same phase. What is the meaning of different and same phase? Here you can see this is the example of homogeneous reaction. Here you can see hydrogen is in gaseous form, chlorine is in gaseous form, and this gives HCl, okay, hydrochloric acid. So here you can see the hydrogen is also in gaseous form, chlorine is also in gaseous form, and the product of hydrogen and chlorine is also in gaseous form. Means both the reactants are in same phase, in gaseous phase. So this type of reaction is known as homogeneous reaction. But in the case of heterogeneous reaction, you can see that carbon and oxygen, here carbon is solid form and oxygen in gaseous form, gives carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide itself in a gaseous form. So basically the reactants are in different phases. This is the reason why this reaction is known as heterogeneous reaction, because the reactants are in different phases. Now, on the basis of the direction of reaction, the chemical reaction are divided into two parts. First is reversible reaction and second is irreversible reaction. So, in the case of irreversible reaction, you can see the reactant can form product. Here you can see carbon and oxygen get combines and get reacted to form carbon dioxide, but carbon dioxide cannot change itself into carbon and oxygen, because carbon is in solid form and oxygen in gaseous form, and carbon dioxide is a gaseous form. So what is the difference between showing reversible and irreversible reaction? In irreversible reaction, you can see only one arrow found like this from reactant side to product side, but in reversible reaction this kind of arrow show the reversible reaction. Here you can see the example of reversible and irreversible reaction. In reversible reaction, the reactant, when they react and form product can change themselves into reactants. Means if nitrogen and hydrogen combine to form ammonia, then ammonia also get converted into nitrogen and hydrogen, okay. But if the reactant cannot